Did you just open your car insurance renewal email, expecting a small bump, only to find it's skyrocketed by 50, maybe even 80%? If you're in the UK, you're not alone. But here's the crazy part. Travel just a little east to countries like Germany or France, and you'll find car insurance prices have barely budged. So, what on earth is going on? Why are UK drivers facing this price tsunami while much of Europe stays dry? Let's break it down. First, let's look at the numbers. According to the Association of British Insurers, quoted car insurance prices in the UK shot up by a staggering 82% between May 2021 and June 2024. In the EU, the average increase was just 19%. Same continent, similar cars, but a completely different story on your bank statement. A huge part of the problem is the soaring cost of repairs. UK insurers reported that repair costs jumped by 31% in 2023 alone. Modern cars are packed with complex tech like advanced driver assistance systems, and electric vehicle parts are expensive. Mix in supply chain issues and rising labor costs, and you've got a recipe for a massive repair bill. While Europe faces these issues too, the UK had a unique situation. During COVID, claims dropped dramatically because we drove less. This set an artificially low baseline, making the rebound seem even more extreme. Then there's the UK's unique market structure. A few years ago, regulators banned insurers from charging existing customers more than new ones for renewals. It sounds good, but the unintended consequence is that insurers simply hiked their prices for everyone, enough to maintain their margins. The Financial Conduct Authority has also flagged other practices that add to the cost burden. Many European countries have different regulatory setups or social solidarity systems that help keep a lid on such sharp price hikes. And we can't forget the other pressures: general inflation, a rise in high-value car thefts, and a 12% insurance premium tax that's slapped on top of everything else in the UK. While our European neighbors aren't immune to these forces, their systems often spread the cost more effectively, or have state interventions that cushion the blow for individual drivers. This means in places like Germany or Spain, multi-year contracts and different market rules mute these short-term shocks. So what does this mean for you, the UK driver? Young people are being quoted over $2,000 a year for standard cars. Even for experienced drivers, fully comprehensive cover is starting to feel like a luxury item. It's frustrating to know that drivers with similar profiles across the channel are paying significantly less. But you're not powerless. When that renewal letter hits, don't just accept it. Shop around. Switching insurers can save you hundreds. Consider a telematics or black box policy. Review your level of cover and maybe ditch optional extras you don't need. And think about your car choice. Electric and luxury vehicles often come with higher insurance costs. The UK car insurance spike is a perfect storm of repair costs, market rules, and economic pressures. It's not a mystery, but knowing the why is the first step to fighting back. If this helped you make sense of your renewal shock, hit that subscribe button. We're here to give you the knowledge you need to navigate these tricky financial waters. Thanks for watching.